You can share any Google Drive image and video as gallery preview using Integrate Google Drive's Gallery module. To create a gallery module, navigate to Google Drive. From your WordPress admin dashboard, Module Builder, click on Add New Module, select Gallery Module, rename the module based on requirement. From the Source tab, select Image or Video Files to display as Gallery Preview. From the Filter tab, configure file visibility based on extensions, names, and others. From the Advanced tab, configure module's advanced settings, such as layout, image and folder preview style, lazy load, and others. From the Notifications tab, set email notifications for various user activities, such as proof submission, download, search, and others. From the Permissions tab, you can set permission access for the module, such as photo proofing, preview, download, set password. You can also set module visibility for everyone or logged in. Save changes, click on Embed button, copy shortcode, paste it inside any page or post to display the module. Users now can view the selected Google Drive image and video through WordPress platform in a lucrative gallery preview.